You have a camera attached to that thing? Cool. How do you know when it's close to like out of range?
So everything's right here.
Oh wow.
You got your map, you got your battery life, you have GPS, your signals, your light speed, and I am somewhere right here, kind of over there.
Wow, that's so cool.
It's so stable now. How long the battery lasts? About 20 minutes.
Oh, I see. It's straight ahead. Well, I mean, I don't see it, but it's
somewhere.
Yeah,
it's like facing this side of the battery.
Yeah,
so.
this way. Wow, that's so legit. How much was this thing?
With everything, you're gonna spend like $2,500 because you need an iPad or a tablet that's decent.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, I see it. It's moving. Yeah. Holy smokes. It's recording right now?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so freaking awesome.
I hope these guys don't have a shotgun on that boat.
Oh.
I'm like right on them.
It's probably harbor like shoot it right off. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh wow, the clarity is amazing.
Wow.
I hear it. Oh, I see it right there. Oh man, that's so freaking cool. Dude, your drone's just so stable in the air.
Uh-oh. And that's a police boat coming. Oh yeah.
There's 2 other drones here. 2. Oh shit, I think they're coming over.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm shutting down, no? Yeah. You gotta do this, you gotta act like you're taking pictures, eh? That's probably not even cops.
You don't think so?
I don't know.
Yeah, they were making a beeline for us, you know?
Yeah. Such pussies, right?
That's what happens when you got shit to lose, you know?
Yeah.
That's the Coast Guard.
Yeah, and they got binoculars.
Yeah.
Let's do selfies.
I'm taking pictures of the trees.
It's always good when you go back home and you don't have to fix stuff, right?
Yeah.
Mine's right here.
Right here.
Should I touch it?
Look at it here. Look.
Look, Lee.
Alright.
How far can we go out?